Water is an essential resource for oncoming storms and hurricane preparedness. Stocking up on water prior to any disaster is crucial. Plan to have 1 gallon of water per person per day for 3 days. Bottled water may be convenient when available, but your tap water is safe, reliable, and inexpensive. It meets or exceeds federal standards. It is also economical, as the first 1,000 gallons of Orange County Utilities tap water is just a little more than $1. Before the storm, fill up sanitized containers with tap water. This could be sanitized food-grade containers for drinking and cooking, like coolers, pitchers, and jugs. Do not use bottles or containers that have held toxic substances. You can also fill a sanitized bathtub. To do this, you'll need 1 cup of household bleach and 5 gallons of water, 1 capful of liquid dish detergent, and a clean cloth. Clean the bathtub thoroughly and rinse. Remember, never mix bleach with any other chemicals. Wear rubber gloves and eye protection. Try not to breathe bleach fumes. And open windows and doors to get fresh air. Your tub is now ready to fill with clean tap water. Having a plan for your water needs will ensure you are prepared ahead of a storm. Orange County government wants you to be prepared before, during, and after the storm. To find out more about emergency preparedness, please visit our website at www.ocfl.net/storm.